Welcome to Carperformance.se. I'm going to show you our new Android extension for all the cars that has Apple Carplay from factory. Currently we are in a 2021 F150 new body with the Sync 4. This is a new module, just USB, just plug it into the USB port. It's got HDMI output and one USB input. That's it. Just plug it in to the port. You will see it will show a red bar, then it will blink blue when it's going to connect. All the functions will work while the car is in motion, not that we recommend it, that you watch any movies while driving, but everything is possible with it. You will have the same apps as your phone has. You can download anything from Google Play Store. Some apps will come preloaded like YouTube, Netflix, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you a quick tutorial. So here we got the apps, you got Netflix, some other GPS tests, etc. Play Store, Maps, YouTube. You need of course connect to a Wi-Fi network. Now we are currently sharing our phone's Wi-Fi network to the system, so it gets the data. Once that's connected, just go and download whatever you want to watch. So here we have YouTube. Let's see here. This is a brand new car, that's why we got the screen protection on.
And hand on the trigger. Yes. Like ready to go. Yes.
Watch, this is another good one. Put it right on, because a lot of times the trick they do is they come up on you.
Oh, they want to feel it.
Like, man, don't move. There you go.
There you have it. And of course, all the other apps that you want, you can easily download by yourself. Google Play Store. It also has mirroring function for both Android and Apple phones. You just need to go through the tutorial. It will tell you exactly how you mirror your phone. The same also with the iOS. To mirror your phone, we recommend that the phone and our CarPlay box is in the same network, otherwise it can interfere with each other. So there you have it, just a quick tutorial, easy to use, nice, all apps that you can have on your phone, plug and play. So thanks for watching.